Ideas become meaningful only through action. India is at a turning point, driven by bold ideas and real change. A key example is GST 2.0. It simplifies the tax system, boosts transparency, and makes good more affordable. This latest reform reflects a transparent, growth focused approach, bringing us more closer to one nation, one tax, one market. As chartered accountants, we are closely observing the transformation of India's economy while continually participating in its progress. ICI is truly aligned with India's reform momentum, promoting homegrown firms to compete globally. Together, we march forward a Viksit Bharat driven by commitment, unity, and relentless progress. Now, let's have a glimpse at some of the developments related to the profession and institute. You all are aware that ICI is conducting WOFA 2.0 on 30th January to 1st February 2026. The event truly aligns with India's vision of becoming the hub for the export of professional services. With a nation-first approach at its core, it showcases the excellence of the accounting profession, incorporates innovation and technology, and upholds global best practices. I am sure you would not like to miss this once-in-a-year opportunity for global exposure, collaboration, and peer-to-peer networking. Ensure that you are a part of this biggest event. Register now to be a part of India's journey to showcase professional leadership on the world stage. I am pleased to inform that the ECCTIS, formerly UK NARIC, after independent evaluation, concluded that the ICI funnel course and chartered accountant designation are comparable to a master's degree level, while the ICI intermediate course corresponds to a bachelor's degree level across global qualification frameworks of the UK, Australia, Canada, UAE, United States, and the European Union. The study has significantly enhanced the global academic stature of ICI qualifications. On 24th October, ICI successfully organized the ICI MSME Connect Stakeholders Strategic Meet 2025 in New Delhi. The event was graced by Srimati Smriti Irani, former Union Minister, and featured deliberations on MSME empowerment initiatives along with key challenges and opportunities for the sector. During the event, the ICI launched the MSME Clinic program at 183 branches and regional councils, an innovative initiative for hand-holding and facilitating MSMEs through structured professional support, guidance, and awareness in the areas of finance, compliance, taxation, accounting, digital transformation, and business sustainability. An MOU was exchanged with NPCI Bharat Bill Pay Limited to promote digital payments through MSMEs, startups, and members. Additionally, ICI partnered with Foundation for Innovation and Technology Transfer, IIT Delhi, to support innovation and entrepreneurship. I am elated to share with you that the ICI was felicitated by World Book of Records, Asia Book of Records, and India Book of Records for achieving a remarkable milestone of maximum MSME mentorship. Felicitations achieved in a day. On 27 June 2025, a total of 19,355 MSMEs were mentored across different branches of the ICI. ICI participated in the Tamil Nadu Global Startup Summit 2025 held on 9th and 10th October 2025 in Coimbatore, and Uttar Pradesh International Trade Show 2025, held from 25th to 29th September 2025 in Greater Noida. These participations underscore the Institute's role in promoting financial literacy, professional excellence, and entrepreneurial development. I am happy to share that the government of Uttar Pradesh honored ICI for its impactful presence at UP International Trade Show 2025. ICI recognizes and honors researchers globally for their contributions to innovations in accounting, auditing, finance, economics, and taxations. On 14th October 2025, the 6th International Research Awards were held in Goa. The ceremony was graced by Mr. John Turner, CEO, XBR International, jury chairperson, and CA Lalita Korea Afonso, former CFO, CISA Goa Limited, as the guest of honor. I am pleased to share that a total of 316 research papers were received from 14 countries, out of which 16 researchers were honored for their exemplary contributions. ICI continues to play a vital role in strengthening transparency and accountability in public financial management, working closely with the Government Accounting Standards Advisory Board under the aegis of the Comptroller and Auditor General of India. Recently, ICI's representatives attended the 37th board meeting of GAZAB held on 26 September 2025, wherein GAZAB initiated work on developing accounting standards for local bodies through a newly formed core committee. On 16th October 2025, ICI entered into a memorandum of understanding with the National Institute of Urban Affairs, established under the aegis of the Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs, to enhance municipal finance and urban financial management across the country. I represented ICI at IFEC Connect MENA 2025, held in Riyadh on 2nd October, which focused on integrity, innovation, and global standards. At the event, I addressed the participants on the topic, the impact of artificial intelligence and emerging technologies on audit and assurance. During the visit, I also met Dr. Ahmed Elmi Ghames of SOCPA and Dr. Suhail Azaz Khan, Ambassador of India to Saudi Arabia, to explore strengthening ties and enhancing the brand value of Indian Chartered Accountants in Saudi Arabia. ICI hosted a residential meet on 12th October 2025 in Goa on the theme Chartered Accountants' Role in Realizing the Vision of Viksit Bharat 2047. The objective was to bring together our members serving across the judiciary, IAS, IPS, IFS, and other public services to discuss on how the professionals' financial acumen, governance expertise, and ethical leadership serve as catalysts in the journey towards a developed India. Honorable judges of the Bombay and Rajasthan High Courts and senior officials graced the occasion. The Institute also organized a media residential workshop, providing media with insights into the evolving financial and regulatory landscape. Sessions highlighted the advanced role of CA profession, ICI's regulatory role, audit innovations, leveraging AI, ESG, and sustainability reporting, forensic accounting, and global opportunities. Both these engagements reflect ICI's commitment to enhance financial awareness and build public trust. The Journal 2025 issue of the Chartered Accountant Journal focuses on GST 2.0, simplifying tax, powering growth. exploring recent GST reforms aimed at simplifying the tax system, reducing the burden on essentials, and enhancing compliance through technology. The journal also covers topics like international taxation, financial reporting, AI and ethics, MSMEs, and work life balance with insightful articles. Before we conclude, let us take a moment to congratulate the Indian women's cricket team on their historic victory in the 2025 ICC Women's World Cup. Their remarkable performance, resilience, and team spirit have made the nation incredibly proud, and they continue to inspire further generations of cricketers. Our scriptures teach that focused purpose, like Arjuna, overcomes challenges. Our mission is clear: to elevate India as the Vishwa Guru, leading with wisdom, ethics, and strength. As Mahatma Gandhi rightly said, the future depends on what you do today. Let us work with resilience, foresight, and service to build a self-reliant India ready to lead the world. ढूंढोगे घर तो ही रास्ते मिलेंगे, ढूंढोगे घर तो ही रास्ते मिलेंगे, मंजिलों की फितरत है, खुद चलकर नहीं आती. थैंक यू सो मच. जय हिंद, जय ICI.